In our previous episode, we set out on an exciting journey into the realm of artificial intelligence. We dipped our toes into the vast ocean of AI, exploring its potential and the profound impact it has on our world. Today, we're diving deeper, aiming to unravel the intricate tapestry of algorithms that power this revolutionary technology. Algorithms, the heart and soul of AI, are like the secret recipes that make this technology work. They're the unseen architects, designing and shaping the AI landscape from self-driving cars to voice assistants and beyond. But before we embark on this expedition into the world of algorithms, let's revisit what we've learned so far. We've understood that AI is not just science fiction. It's a tangible reality impacting various aspects of our daily lives. But first, what exactly is an algorithm? Picture a cookbook. Each recipe with its steps and methods is an algorithm of sorts. In the realm of AI, these algorithms are the recipes guiding computers to process information and generate outcomes. In the world of AI, algorithms are these very recipes, guiding computers to process information and generate outcomes. Let's imagine a cookbook. Each recipe within it, complete with its set of instructions and methods, is an algorithm in its own right. It tells you what to do, step by step, to achieve a desired result. In the same way, algorithms in AI instruct computers on how to process data and generate outcomes. But then you might ask, aren't all algorithms the same? Well, just as you have different recipes for baking a cake or whipping up a gourmet meal, algorithms too range in complexity. Some are simple, designed to perform basic tasks. Others are more complex, carrying out intricate processes and making sophisticated predictions. Consider the algorithm behind a digital calculator. It's relatively simple, designed to perform basic arithmetic operations. On the other hand, the algorithm that powers a voice recognition system like Siri or Alexa is far more complex. It needs to understand spoken language, process it, and generate a coherent response. But whether simple or complex, all algorithms have a common goal: to transform input into output. Just as a recipe transforms raw ingredients into a delicious meal, an algorithm transforms raw data into meaningful results. And here's the most fascinating part. Algorithms can learn. They can improve their performance over time, refining their recipes based on the data they process. This is the core of machine learning, a key component of AI. So the next time you use a digital device, remember, behind every action, there's a meticulously crafted algorithm working diligently to turn data into useful outcomes. From the search engine that finds your information to the social media platform that recommends new friends, algorithms are the unseen chefs in the kitchen of AI, constantly cooking up solutions. Just as culinary recipes vary, from baking bread to crafting gourmet dishes, algorithms range from simple to complex. And as we'll see in our next episode, these algorithms are fueled by a crucial ingredient: data. But that's a story for another day. For now, let's marvel at the power and potential of algorithms, the secret recipes of AI. Two key concepts often dominate AI discussions: machine learning and deep learning. But are they the same? Not quite. Let's think of it this way. Imagine you're teaching someone to make a sandwich. You show them several examples, different types of bread, a variety of fillings, and through repetition, they learn. This is similar to machine learning. It's about training a computer to recognize patterns and make decisions based on the data it's been fed. But what if we want our student not just to make a sandwich, but to understand the very art of sandwich making? To differentiate between a club sandwich and a panini, to know when to toast the bread or when to pile on the veggies. This is where deep learning comes into play. Deep learning, a subset of machine learning, is about giving computers the ability to learn and make decisions on their own. It involves training a computer to process inputs through layers of artificial neural networks inspired by the human brain. This way, the computer doesn't just know how to make a sandwich, it understands the concept deeply. It can identify different types of sandwiches and even innovate new ones by understanding the relationships between ingredients and methods. But here's the catch. Deep learning requires a vast amount of data and significant computing power. It's like trying to master gourmet cooking rather than just making a simple sandwich. You need more ingredients, more techniques, and more time to practice. It's also worth noting that deep learning isn't always necessary. Sometimes, machine learning is enough. If you just want to make a tasty sandwich, you don't need to study the culinary arts in depth. Similarly, many AI tasks can be accomplished with simpler machine learning algorithms. However, when we do need that extra depth of understanding, deep learning can be truly transformative. It powers advanced AI applications like self-driving cars, real-time speech translation, and even the recommendation algorithms that suggest what sandwich you might like to eat next. The marvels of deep learning have been enabled largely by neural networks, which we'll explore in a later episode. These networks are inspired by our own brains, attempting to mimic the way humans think and learn. So, while machine learning and deep learning might sound like complex jargon, at their heart, they're about teaching computers to learn from experience, just like we do. So, the next time you use a recommendation system or a voice assistant, remember there's a meticulously crafted algorithm working behind the scenes, turning data into actionable insights. From shopping online to streaming music, algorithms are the silent maestros orchestrating our digital experiences. Let's take a closer look at some of the real-world applications of AI algorithms. In the world of e-commerce, recommendation algorithms have become increasingly sophisticated. Whether it's suggesting products based on your browsing history or personalizing your homepage with items you might like, AI is at the helm, enhancing our shopping experiences and helping businesses boost sales. In healthcare, AI algorithms are revolutionizing diagnostics and treatment. They can analyze medical images, detect anomalies, and even predict the likelihood of certain diseases, enabling early intervention and personalized care. In finance, AI algorithms are employed to detect fraudulent transactions, provide real-time trading insights, and automate financial planning. They're making finance more secure, efficient, and personalized. And let's not forget about our daily digital assistants like Siri, Alexa, or Google Assistant. These voice-activated helpers use natural language processing, an AI algorithm, to understand and respond to our queries, making our lives a bit easier. And then there's the entertainment industry. From Netflix's personalized recommendations to Spotify's Discover Weekly playlist, AI algorithms analyze our viewing or listening habits to curate content that matches our tastes. Even behind the wheel, AI is taking the driver's seat. In self-driving cars, AI algorithms process real-time data from sensors to navigate roads, avoid obstacles, and ensure passenger safety. Indeed, AI algorithms have permeated every facet of our lives, silently working behind the scenes to enhance our experiences, improve efficiency, and solve complex problems. They're everywhere, from the traffic lights that guide us to the playlists that entertain us. AI's influence is pervasive and profound, and as we continue to innovate, the future of AI promises to be even more exciting. Let's stay tuned to see what's next on our AI journey. As we come to the end of this episode, let's take a moment to reflect on what we've uncovered today. We've delved into the fascinating world of AI algorithms, those intricate recipes that guide computers to process information and generate outcomes. We've learned that not all algorithms are created equal, with some being as simple as a bread recipe, while others are as complex as a gourmet dish. We've also distinguished between machine learning and deep learning. Remember, machine learning is like teaching your computer to make a sandwich through numerous examples. Deep learning, however, is akin to empowering your computer to identify and even create various types of sandwiches by deeply understanding the ingredients and methods. And let's not forget the real-world applications of these algorithms. Every time you use a recommendation system or a voice assistant, there's a meticulously crafted algorithm working tirelessly behind the scenes, turning data into actionable insights. But our journey into the world of AI is far from over. In fact, it's just beginning. In our upcoming episode, we'll dive into the world of data, the lifeblood of AI. We'll explore how data feeds into these powerful algorithms, enabling them to make accurate predictions, identify patterns, and ultimately make our lives easier and more efficient. So, as we bid adieu today, I encourage you to observe and identify algorithms in your daily life. They're everywhere, from the traffic lights that guide us to the playlists that entertain us. Thank you for joining us on this leg of our AI journey. Remember, Curiosity is the bedrock of all great discoveries. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and we'll see you in the next episode. Until then, happy learning.